know me, then you know that I absolutely love acai bowls. I love making them, and I'm really not handy in the kitchen, and I really love eating acai bowls. So I'm going to show you how to do my favorite acai bowl with 5 very simple ingredients. First, you'll need bananas. High in potassium, which is good for your stomach, it's good for your brain, and it's just good for energy. So we'll just break it in there. And then we'll have some mixed berries. So obviously, because it's frozen, it helps for texture and getting that nice cold bowl. Then I use pure acai powder, simply because fresh acai is very hard to come by in South Africa. I use the Be Bright acai powder, and I like to use at least a full tablespoon. Then I use nut butter. So you can choose either peanut butter or almond butter, and today I'm going to do almond butter to change it up a bit. I usually do peanut butter. And then almond milk. So this is a dairy-free bowl. And ice. There you have your perfect acai bowl. The absolute best breakfast for summer. Getting in all your nutrients, and it's just like eating dessert and ice cream and super berries all in one for breakfast.